Welcome to this look at one example of how to create a visual notes mural in your class. Just a quick quote from Sunni Brown, who's been incredibly influential in all of the visual note-taking that we've done. Sunni Brown says, basically what you're doing is reframing the mental environment so that you can get a different kind of growth. What doodling does is that it basically opens up another capacity for thinking for the doodler. Before students start putting pen to paper, there's a number of effective exercises that you can take them through. One of my favorite warm-ups for visual thinking is an exercise called graphic jam. Essentially what you do is you decide on a key concept that you need your group to unpack, you give them a few minutes, one post-it note, and you ask them to visualize that concept. Then after the time is up, they're going to share in small groups, then larger groups. Before it's time to actually start on the mural, of course there's going to be some scaffolding. It's really important that you scaffold the process so that students are able to outline, they're able to have those important conversations before they start putting their final mural together. As you can see in this image, that process is highly collaborative and is often even enjoyable. Constructing a visual notes mural means that students truly have to engage with the material that you have put forward. Some of the conversation that they have just in the brainstorming phase are incredibly helpful for them later on. An open and creative task like this one lends itself really nicely to students taking on leadership who maybe wouldn't take on leadership in other activities. Making the learning visible on this scale changes the energy and environment of the classroom entirely. When students are working on their visual notes murals, it truly feels like an event worthy of showcasing. They know that during these lessons I'm going to be tweeting photos, taking video. With creative, collaborative endeavors like these, you allow your students a true opportunity to bond. What you're watching here are a group of grade 12 Language and Literature IBDP students who are working on practicing for their May exams. They've each been given a different practice paper 2 question, and they have 3 days to illustrate an outline that they would create in order to write that exam paper.